Yo, what is good, guys? AJ Volten here, back at it like a crack addict. And yeah, today, new video. This one's gonna be a banger. We're going to this event called Bandas y Trocas. So it's gonna be fire. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Also, the merch shop is closed by the time the video goes up. So if you bought merch, I appreciate you and I love you. If you didn't, I still love you. And I appreciate everyone that's supporting, and I'm gonna keep grinding out here for you guys. It's not easy, but I can't stop. I just can't stop. It's not allowed. But yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Pinche troqueando cut. The trocas are here already. I'm telling you, this one's gonna be crazy cut. But yeah, like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. And let's get to the video cut. Si quema cut. Let's do it. We're gonna cut. Cuando por la noche recordaba. Hey yo, where your Edgar at, cut? You got the shit to your side. You gotta put it down, cut. You gotta get your shit right, cut. They be charging 70 for this shit? Who do you love? My sharing type B shit, cut. Who your favorite rapper? Nah, you supposed to say Shoreline Mafia or my sharing cut. What's la verga, cut? Huevo! Pinche peso pluma, cut. Noches de verdad, todo. Con calma.
Un sucio, un asqueroso. La ropita tuya te la dejé allá afuera.
Con calma, tóxica, cut. Estoy en Bandas y Trocas.
Venga a buscar tu ropa, porque si no, le voy a...
Estoy en bandas y pinche trocas, cut. Déjame en paz. No es cuestión de culto, pero porto los collares. Santería que casi nadie trae. Y wow, pa. Puro hop, otro pedo. Ah, wow. La pizza. What's good, cut? That shit worth it in there, cut?
It's alright, yeah.
Be honest with me, bro. Be honest. Is it worth $100?
Yeah, probably not.
You don't think so?
It's hot as fuck.
Damn, bro. Hey, yo, let me get your band, though, cut. Let me get the blue band, cut. I'm just gonna be there for an hour, cut. He gonna hook it up. La Toxica, look, La Toxica don't want his homeboys to win, cut. Let me get your blue band, cut. Ah, huevo, la pinche Toxica no te deja, cut. Nah, pinche mandilón, cut, huevo. No quema. So, cut, what type of wristband is it, cut?
Shit.
De la pinche Bandas y Trocas?
Yeah.
Pinche Vapec, cut. What's your name, cut?
Chino, what's up?
How much you want for this? 300?
Huh?
You want $1 grand for this?
Give me $10.
I got 10,000. $10,000?
Nah, $10.
I'll give you 100.
Whatever.
Matter of fact, I'll give you a cigarette. Take the hell, cut. We got. Oh, you don't smoke?
Nah.
You should start, bro. It's good for you.
I smoke weed.
Con calma, cut.
For free, bro.
You a real one, cut.
Yeah,
Si quema, cut. A nos vemos, cut. Pura fuerza regida, cut. A huevo, cut. Hooked it up. What's up, Toxicas? What's up, plebitas? You think it's worth $100 to go in?
No.
Be honest. Y'all don't think so?
No, I mean, it's cool.
What's up with the after party though? We're about to go crazy. I got the VIP and all that shit, cut.
Oh, yeah.
Pedo, what's y'all names? Hold on. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, stuck a feather on his toe, cut. She come and let it go. Eeny, cut, money, cut. Go ahead, drop your IG. We're about to get lit tonight. Don't worry, cut. It's about to go crazy tonight. Cut, pinche Bandas y Trocas, cut. What type of car y'all drive? Nissan Altimas?
Lexus.
Chill, está con calma. La Toxica flexing on me, cut. You really flexing. All right, I got you. I'm gonna follow y'all. Have a good one, cut. Ay, más. Si quema plebitas, cut. Sí, aquí estoy en Bandas y Trocas.
Eres un sucio, un asqueroso. La ropita tuya te la dejé allá afuera. Y venga a buscarla con los
Estoy en pinche Bandas y Trocas, no me jodas.
Venga a buscar tu ropa, porque si no...
Me estoy pisteando con mis cuz.
¿Quieres?
Alright, cuz, so homeboy hooked it up with a wristband, so we're gonna try to go in. We'll see how it goes. They came in clutch. Alright, let's go. Let's try it out. Otro pedo, a huevo, cut. ¿Está bien chingón ahí? ¿Está bien chingón? La neta, cut. Ahí nos vemos, cut. No es cuestión de justo, pero todo. Otro pedo, huevo. Y sí, cut, la chingona mamalona. You gotta get a Chevy Silverado, cut. Nada que Ford, cut. Alright, guys, so we somehow managed to get in this hook. We got the big hookup. Yo, shout out to John and Eric for hooking it up. And all right, let's go get some clips, bro. No es cuestión de corto, pero porto los collares. Santería que casi nadie trae por allá. What a little mini Edgar, cut. You leveling up, cut?
Can I get a picture?
Oh, heck yeah, bro. Which one are y'all trying to squabble, though? Y'all about it? I'm gonna hit y'all with a 1-2 Mayweather, cut. My combo go crazy, cut. Puro hot, puro doble peca, otro pedo, cut. Y'all walk away for your own safety, cuz. Cut. Esa cumbia está de buena, cut. Esta pinche cumbia, cut. A huevo, cut. Pura fuerza rígida, cut. Sí, señor, yo soy de rancho. Ah, nos vemos acá, a huevo, a huevo, a huevo, a huevo. Puro corrido bien tumbadito acá. ¡A huevo! ¡A huevo! ¡A huevo! Is this a tóxica section? Puro tóxicas aquí, ¿no? Esta plebita bien tóxica, pa. You guys have water here? I feel dehydrated. You got water? Agüita?
No.
Y'all don't got water? Mi puro pinche tajín, ca. Esto no es nada para mí, ca. ¡Hola, verga! Ah, nos vemos tóxicas. Un gusto. What's your name?
Jasmine.
Nice meeting you. I'm AJ. Take care, guys. Have a good one. God bless you. Un pinche cumbión bien loco. I feel dehydrated. You're not gonna hook me up? Pura fuerza rígida, pa. Puro hub. Nah, huevo. Wait, hold on. What's your name? You single? Oh, hold on. We're gonna need to talk a little more, cut. Pinche yellow, cut. Look at her, a hard-working woman, cut. Oh, wow. You got an Instagram or anything? We could talk or something?
You can have my number.
Oh, a number? Bet. Number works too, pa. Go ahead, write it down.
Okay.
You're not over here partying, you're over here grinding, cut. Oh, huevo. I respect that. Oh, Lord. I know, huevo, cut. Te cuida, cut. Oh, she's single. Oh, I can see that. I can see that. And she a hard worker, too. Oh, she need a hubby? Oh, no, my family in Mexico gonna be mad at me because I got a whole family back there, but I'm a single man in the USA, cut. Otro pedo, una comida muy bonita, cut. What's up? Sí, pa, you gotta juggle them, pa. Take care, OG. I know them, cut. Otro pedo, cut. You gotta juggle the families around, cut. Once you cross that border, it's a different world, cut. A huevo, cut. That was Natanael, cut. Yeah, low key, bro. Puro corrido bien tumbado. Yo, you made corrido, cut. Huevo. Pinche Natanael en flash. Dijeron que no la iba a lograr, pero ahora todos están callados. A huevo, cut. I don't even have a truck, cut. I ain't gonna lie, cut. Otro pedo, cut. That's a high level Edgar right there, cut. That's a high level Edgar right there. He got the drop mamalona and he got the fresh cut. Hey, pinche Lamborghini, what's up, cut? What's up, cut? What's up? What up, gang? Pura bonita en buena. Si quema. Esto si queman, cut. A huevo, querido. Está bien la mamalona. Con calma, cut. Con calma, cut. Nos vemos, cut. Viva Hope. We'll go, cut. I was just saying, your truck, fire hell, cut.
You want to buy it? I got it for sale.
Nah, con calma, cut. How much would you sell it for if you would?
This one?
Oh, excuse me, I think your ass all out and about, cut. Huevo, cut. Otro pedo, cut. Pinche tóxica, cut. How much would you sell that hoe for?
25.
25K?
Off the door.
I ain't gonna lie, this shit clean. This shit clean, cut. Damn. I like the hood. The hood, my favorite part. Yeah, la tóxica with her ass out, cut. Huevo. Otro pedo, cut. Sí, cut. You got top-notch stuff right here, cut. Hey, keep it up, cut. Pura fuerza rígida, puro hoe, puro perico, cut. Huevo. Otro pedo, cut. What's up, cut?
I'll watch your YouTube.
Hey, yo, what's up? Alright, good meeting you guys. Take care, G.
Appreciate it.
Nos vemos, cut. Otro pedo. Pero se retiró Guardado, cut. No, pinche Guardado, cut. Lo extraño. I miss Guardado. No. Unos 10 años más, 10 more years guardado, acá. Memo Ochoa, starter, a huevo. Pura morita bien buena, montada en mi camioneta. Y sí, pura fuerza rápida. A huevo, acá, la morita, acá, con cuidado con tu tóxica, acá. Tú sos el rey, acá, la cama, a huevo. Otro pedo, acá. What's up? Let's go. Yo, many Edgar here, acá. You looking clean. Let me see your cut. Con calma, cut. Yeah, let's get a pit, bro. Let's go. Good meeting you. What's your name? José. Good meeting you, bro. See you around, G. A huevo.
I always see you.
Me alegra, cut. What's your name, cut?
Juan.
El pinche Juan. Me llamo AJ, cut.
¿Nos podemos tomar una foto?
Claro que sí, pa. Good meeting you, Leo.
Hey, bro, I've been watching all your videos.
Appreciate it, man. Yeah, heck yeah. What's good, gang? Yeah, let's just take it. Yeah.
Take a cut.
Yes, sir. A huevo, cut. Who do you love? I got fresh fades, cut. A huevo, cut. What's your name?
Edgar.
No way. No, that's a guy. Yo. Nah, this is one of the OGs right here. I don't care. What's good, bro? What's your name?
Jose.
Jose, nice to meet you,
I've
cut.
been to Edgar since 6th grade.
Nah, this is one of the starters right here. Shout out ED, bro.
Where you look, bro?
Yes,
Go for
sir.
it first. Get the one over there.
Stop complimenting me like that, cut. You finna make me act up, cut. A huevo, cut. Yeah, but that shit funny, man.
¿Quema la Ford o no?
No, la Ford no. Oh, bro, es puro Chevy Silverado. I'm sorry, I'm a Chevy Silverado type of guy, bro. Yo, my homie was making fun of me because I got a V6 high performance cut. A huevo. No quema, cut.
Hey, your first name's Chevy? Your last name's Silverado?
Yeah. First name Chevy, last name Silverado. Edgar Silverado.
You just got here, bro?
No, I've been here for like an hour now. I'm about to keep walking around. I'm getting tired though, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, it is tiring.
All right, bro. I'm gonna rock with y'all later though.
Hey,
nice meeting
take
y'all.
care, bro.
Take care, G's. Appreciate you guys.
Up to the studio. You gonna return it after or what?
You
gonna return it after or what?
Hey, Ron's drip for less, son. I got the final sale deal, cut. Stop playing with me, cut.
Cash.